Hello and welcome back to the Fluctus channel. Rubber is one of the most amazing natural substances in the world. It is durable, elastic, and naturally adhesive, making it perfect for a wide range of products used across various sectors. One of the most versatile of these products is the rubber band. And while the West has long since automated the manufacturing of rubber bands in one small village in India, the process is still done largely by hand. Though synthetic rubbers have grown in popularity in recent years, the majority are still derived directly from plants, most notably rubber trees. In its liquid form, this milky fluid is referred to as latex. It is harvested by slicing a groove into the bark of the tree at a depth of around 1/4 inch. Once the bark is removed, the latex drips down into a bucket or bin for collection. It's important to note that this process does not harm the tree or the forest. This means that a nearly endless supply of rubber can be accumulated as long as the trees are kept healthy. Barrels of raw latex are filled every week and returned to the village for processing. The latex is first poured into a large vat for storage.
പുളിമ്പൊടിയും സോപ്പ് ലായനിയും മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് നമ്മുടെ റബ്ബർ പാലിലേക്ക് ഈ ഡ്രമ്മിൽ അങ്ങ് ഒഴിക്കും. അതിനുശേഷം ഇതേ 3 ദിവസം അങ്ങ് കെട്ടി മൂടിയിടും. അത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ മൂന്നാമത്തെ ദിവസം ക്രീം പാല് മുകളിലും വെള്ളം അടിയിലായിട്ട് തിരിയും. അതിനുവേണ്ടിയാണ് ഈ പുളിമ്പൊടി ചേർത്ത് സോപ്പ് ലായനിയും ചേർത്ത് കെട്ടിയിടുന്നത്.
The workers then mix the raw material with tamarind powder and soap inside of a large drum. After heating the mixture, the workers seal the drum for 72 hours, allowing the water and latex to separate. The resulting material is then separated into smaller barrels, where it can be properly mixed. The workers add a series of stabilizers, accelerators, and vulcanizing agents, which will give the final product its elasticity, strength, and longevity. Some of the most common examples include sulfur and zinc.
നൈലോൺ റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡ് ഓർഡിനറി റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡും ഉണ്ട്. ഇതിന് നൈലോൺ റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡിന് നമ്മൾ ക്ലേ ചേർക്കാറില്ല. ഓർഡിനറി റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡിനാണ് നമ്മൾ മാർബിൾ ക്ലേ ചേർക്കുന്നത്.
To create the standard rubber bands, the workers also mix in marble clay.
ഈ റബ്ബർ പാലിൽ സൾഫർ, സിങ്ക്, EZNBT മുതലായ കെമിക്കലുകൾ ചേർത്തതിന് ശേഷമാണ് നമ്മൾ കളർ ആഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്.
Even the mixing process is done mainly by hand using a large iron drum. Many rubber products are dyed, and these rubber bands are no exception. The dyes can be of various colors, depending on the final design of the product. Once the latex mixture is ready, a series of metal or PVC pipes, which determine the diameter of the rubber band, are dipped into a coagulating bath, often a calcium chloride solution. This bath prepares the surface of the pipes to accept and coagulate the latex in the subsequent stage. Afterward, the pipes are then dipped into the prepared colored latex mixture, and then the coagulant once again. Despite being such a small operation, the factory can produce a wide range of rubber band colors and sizes simultaneously. Once the dipping process is completed, the workers put the coated pipes into the sun to dry. Given India's rather extreme climate, it is particularly well suited to this process.
മോൾഡിൽ നിന്ന് ട്യൂബ് സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ചെയ്ത് വെയിലത്ത് 2 ദിവസം ഉണങ്ങാനായിട്ട് അങ്ങ് ഇടും.
After the rubber dries enough, it can be removed from the tube using a hose, at which point it will be hung to dry for another 2 days on its own.
ട്യൂബുകൾ തമ്മിൽ ഒട്ടാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് പുഴുങ്ങാനിടുന്നത്.
Before the actual rubber bands are created, the rubber tubes must be boiled. Afterward, they are once again dipped in an emulsion, which prevents the rubber from sticking to the cutting machine.
ഈ പുഴുങ്ങിയെടുത്ത ട്യൂബ് മെഷീനിൽ ഒട്ടാതിരിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ് എമർഷനിൽ മുക്കുന്നത്.
The cutting process is one of the only aspects of the factory's rubber band manufacturing that uses a machine. In this case, The rubber tubes are fed into a conveyor, where they are cut by a vertical blade, creating a familiar and functional shape. The colors are separated during this process to simplify sorting later on. After cutting, the newly formed rubber bands must be dried yet again. To accomplish this, thousands of bands at a time are laid out on large sheets and simply air-dried. Though they may seem finished at this point, there is still one more process to undergo. This is a silicone oil coating, which gives the bands a shiny finish, protects against fungal growth, and reduces overall wear and tear.
കട്ട് ചെയ്തെടുത്ത റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡ് ഒരു 6 മണിക്കൂർ വെയിലത്തിട്ട് ഉണങ്ങും. അതിനുശേഷം സിലിക്കോൺ ഓയിൽ മിക്സ് ചെയ്ത് നല്ലതുപോലെ തിരുമും. ഇങ്ങനെ തിരുമുന്നതിൻ്റെ കാര്യം ഒന്ന് പൂപ്പൽ ബാധിക്കാതിരിക്കാനും റബ്ബർ ബാൻഡിന് നല്ല ഗ്ലേസിംഗ് കിട്ടാൻ വേണ്ടിയാണ്.
The oil is simply added to the pile, and workers mix it around by hand to ensure a relatively even coating. From here, the finished bands are simply loaded into sacks, weighed, and sealed. Their next stop is a packaging facility, which will prepare them for sale on the open market. And though this factory produces millions of rubber bands per year, India is actually one of the largest global importers of rubber bands, alongside the United States and Vietnam. In 2022, the global rubber band market was valued at $397 million. However, this is projected to grow exponentially in the coming years. That's the end of this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.